Namaskar, I'm Gogi from How To Doer. Today we're gonna talk about that how you can easily buy shares online using your mobile phone. You are listening very right. Yes, you can do so. First of all, requesting you like the video and subscribe the channel for get more videos like this. And sorry and forgive me for coming sound of vegetable seller because they are also earning money by selling their vegetables. First of all, I'm requesting you please do this. I have given a link in the description below. From there you can easily download that app. By using that you can easily buy shares. First of all, if you don't know how to make accounts on that, I have provided the link of the video. From that you can know how you can create account on that. So before proceeding, requesting you like the video and subscribe to the channel. Now what we have to do and what the scenario for buying any share. As you can check out, I'm gonna show you the window over here, and you have to open that app. That will ask you about the password or your fingerprint, so you have to enter that, and after that below there you will find a option called stocks and mutual funds. So you can check out mutual funds and stocks. You have to click on stocks for buying shares, and from explore you can go below and check out that there is many shares you can buy from them. You have to find out which one you want to buy. You can check out from the top losers, click on see more, or from top gainers, that means the shares that are earning more money today. For that buying you for buying the shares, you have to go to this human icon option above right hand side and click on that, and you have to add money using your ATM card, internet banking, or your UPI apps. As you can check out, I'm clicking on the add money, and after that it will asking you about the money, how much you want to add. Click on, you have to enter that amount. You can add how much you want to add because shares are too much big. So I'm just adding 1000 rupees and clicking on add money, and it will ask you about the internet banking and other things. You have to enter that and follow the process. As you can check out, I have 648 rupees in my account, so that I want to buy shares using that, and I'm trying to find out the share for buying. That is yes bank, and it's not performing good. I'm just going to top gainers or top losers account, and from there I'm just trying to finding out this Bank of Baroda. Yes, this Bank of Baroda share is performing well in few last 1 year, and it's not recommendation for you to buy this share, but I'm just trying to buy this one. You have to do a thing that you have to click on this Bank of Baroda and click on buy option given below over there. When you click on buy, and it will take to the new window where it will ask you about the how much quantity you want to buy. And when I entered 5, and it's saying you that your account is not fulfilled this amount, you can buy just 3. You have to enter 3, and over there you will find an option called the market or at market rate. If you want to buy this automatically on whichever rate right now, you can choose this market rate, and otherwise if you want to precisely tell this app that I just want this share when this share come in today, if it come to this point of rate, so you can choose that by just clicking on the market option, and it will change to limit. Then you can add the limit over there, and you can place this buy button option. But I'm just going to adding this on market rate, so I'm just going to hit this limit button again, and I'm going to clicking on this buy button, and in just few seconds it's just buy successful, and we have just bought 3 shares right now. So that's the scenario, and that's the process for buying these shares. And if you want to buy, you just requesting you just go to the link below given over there, download that app. That is very safe, I think very safe. I'm using this from a few months, and it's working well. If you want to sell this, you can just go to holdings, and from there you can click on sale and do whatever you want to do. And Please like the video, subscribe the channel for get more videos like this, and if you want to share that share, you can check out our other video that is also available on our channel. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. Be with us, keep learning how to do.